First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Tap Connections. Then tap Wi-Fi. Make sure the Wi-Fi toggle is turned on. If the issue is only happening on your Samsung phone, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Advanced Setting. Then tap Wi-Fi Control History. Check whether any app is automatically turning your Wi-Fi on or off. If you find one, disable or uninstall that app. Now turn Wi-Fi off. Swipe down from the top of the screen. Swipe down again to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap the power icon. Then tap Restart. After your phone restarts, turn Wi-Fi back on and reconnect to your network. If the problem is still not fixed, open the Settings app again. Tap the search icon at the top. Search for Reset. Tap Reset. Then tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings to confirm. When the reset is complete, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. That's it. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi not working on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.